Hi guys, it's me, Thomas Trackmaster Railway here. This is the last time you'll see this track. Trust me, I know. But first, before I accidentally ended the video in an accident, I will run him. Yep, the track is fixed. Let's go. Come on, Thomas, make me proud for this track. Come on, Thomas. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it, brother. Oh, wait. You can do it. You can, oh. Uh-oh. Thomas, what is happening? I thought you was number one. I thought you was number one, my brother. What is happening? I don't know. I feel like Thomas is not number one. There you go, Thomas. Pull some flatbeds. Sorry, Cranky. I'm gonna get this shot, but apparently Thomas is stuck. Oh, Thomas. Uh-oh. Oh, Thomas. Come here, buddy. Oh, never mind. He's got it. Oh, never mind. Come on, Thomas. Uh-oh. He's got it. Go, Thomas. Go. Oh. Thomas, no. What have you done? He has derailed. Come on, Thomas. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid, my brother. Okay. Thomas has derailed. Uh-oh. That is not good. Say goodbye, Thomas. I will flip you the other side. I will flip you. Okay, good boy. He is going the opposite direction. Hopefully he doesn't crash. Of course. He's gonna crash that. Are you serious? My brother. He's not your brother, but okay. Okay, sorry. Really, Thomas? Really? Go, my brother. Or train, whatever. Go, Thomas, go. Go, Thomas. He's going around the loop. Good boy, Thomas. Make it. Come on. Oh, no, Thomas. No. That's not what I wanted you to do. Now go. Thank you. Now be a proud engine. And run around the layout before I have to... Of course. Yeah, Thomas, why don't you tell the crowd? Man, I messed up. You did. You literally had to, disappoint me. Oh, never mind. Thomas is on his way again. That is strange. Thomas, go. Go. Go, my dude. Go, my dude. Aw. Uh-oh, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Pull those flatbeds. Come on. Oh, Thomas. Oh, come on. Come on, Thomas. Don't be stupid. Go, Thomas. Uh-oh. Oh, get over here. Yeah, there you go, Thomas. I helped you. Oh, great. Thomas, really? Gonna crash in front of the audience? Wow. Wow, Thomas, I can't believe you. You're actually trying to crash in front of the audience. Come on, Thomas. Make us proud. Oh crap, he's gonna crash. Uh-oh. Come on, Thomas. Come on, don't be stupid. Oh, and yep, that's the end of Thomas. Hope you all enjoyed. Love you, and peace out.